Mini brands fill a fridge. Legendary item search. Attempt number 3. I think that's a bread plate. That's a new magnet. It's not focusing, but that's homestyle mashed potatoes. That's a dupe. Eggplant, dupe. Strawberry ramune, that is new. Cooked lobster, dupe. Ellie ham, dupe. Bottled water, also a dupe. Attempt number 4. Snack for good luck. Charcuterie board, magnet, that's a dupe. Pizza Hut big dinner box, that's new. Turmeric shot, my 7th one. Dupe. Zesty Italian dressing, dupe. Lamb chops, that's new. Soy sauce, that's a dupe. I'm not feeling very hopeful about this one. Frozen chicken, new, but it's not a legendary. The search continues.